So for part 2, we are going to fit it into all one video. So now for the same rules, we're just going to eat one orange at a time. And we have to swallow it. So same rules. So ready, set, go. Wait. Oh. Done. I think that was a tie.
It looked like a tie.
Because I put my hand up, I just couldn't say done.
All right, you want to say bye?
So, bye. No, wait, bye.
Oh.
We're fitting this into all one video. So, next is these, and same rules, one bite at a time. So, ready, set, go. It's gonna be hard because you're thick. Done. So that was me. So we have so next is gonna be fruit snacks. So hold. I'm not ready yet. Okay, we need to make sure we have the same amount. 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 8. Okay. We have both have 8. So same rules as always. Ready, set, go. Done. Yay! I win! Okay, so I won the first round, which was oranges, and then we tied the second round.
And she won 3
and the third round, yeah. So I won. I won. And if you're wondering, there was 8 in here in the fruit snacks, and there was 8 orange things. So bye, and thanks for watching.
9.
Yeah.
She had 9, I had 8. She just
No, I
ate
didn't.
1.
Well, no.
Okay, say bye, Cole.
Whatever. Bye.
Bye.
You want to say bye, Elsa?
Bye.